The Grande Cheese app offers you the ability to create procedures for both menu items and batch recipes. These procedures can be viewed inside the app or can be converted into a printable PDF and shared from your mobile device. The process is virtually the same regardless if you are creating or editing and is the same for both batch recipes and menu items. Let's add a procedure to the existing menu item, Large Trio. We will tap the item to edit it. Then, tap the Procedures tab, then tap Edit Procedure. We will tap Add Step to get started. Here, you will see 3 pieces of information that can be added: a photo, written instructions, and a video URL. Photos can come from your video library or the mobile device's camera, and the video link can be a YouTube or Vimeo video. It is important to note that you cannot record a video directly from the app. A total of 9 steps can be added. Let's go ahead and build our procedure with 9 photos. First, tap on Upload Photo to select our images. We will upload existing images from our image library. You also have the option to take them now with your camera. Let's select our dough image and add the instruction to grab your dough. Tap on Add Step to continue building the procedure. Select Screen Image from Image Library and add the instruction to place screen on the counter. Tap Add Step. Select Image of stretched dough and add the instruction to stretch dough to size. Tap Add Step. Select Image of saucing pizza and add the instruction to sauce to 1/2 of the edge. Tap Add Step. Select Image of spreading cheese on pizza and add the instruction to cheese to the edge of the sauce. Tap Add Step. Select Image of unbaked pizza with toppings and add the instruction to evenly top the pizza. Tap Add Step. Select Image of baked pizza and add the instruction to cook until crust is golden brown and cheese is bubbly. Tap Add Step. Select Image of pizza cutter over baked pizza and add the instruction to cut into 8 slices. Tap Add Step. Select Image of pizza in box and add the instruction to place pizza in box with a liner. Tap Save. When you have finished adding all of your steps, you can scroll through to view the steps on your mobile device. When we finish, we can share our procedure as a PDF using the sharing options available on the mobile device.